What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Number 1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Did you start your business so you could work on your passion? Or so you could juggle onboarding, invoicing, and documentation? Look, I get it. Entrepreneurship isn't all fun and games. Client relationships need to be managed. And SuperOkay makes that easy so you can get back to doing what you love. Dip on here with Best Software Deals, your go-to digital marketplace for client management software. Today, I'm absolutely psyched to tell you about SuperOkay, the intuitive client portal that helps you streamline your client relationship management. But before we get to the good part, make sure to subscribe to the Best Software Deals YouTube channel. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on any of our killer deals. Now, onto the main event. Start by creating your account, connecting your domain, and customizing your branding. This is going to be the default for everything you build in SuperOkay, which means you only have to do this one time. You know we love to be on brand. After your account's created, you're ready to add your first client. Just click Add New Client and enter in all the relevant details. From there, you can easily add your client's logo and branding and tailor their portal. Can you imagine the look on their face when they log in for the first time and see how professional this setup is? You are immediately going to stand so far above all the other freelancers, agencies, and consultants they have ever worked with in the past. Once you've got the ball rolling, then all you need to do is build out the portal to fit you can create projects, add links to important resources, connect apps, generate documentation, and set up action items. Think of all the emails, text, and phone calls you'll cut out just by centralizing everything right here for your clients. So, if you're ready to impress your clients, streamline relationship management, and get back to working on what you love, then SuperOkay is the solution you've been looking for. Don't miss out. Get access today.